Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Food Gossips. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Russian salad. This salad is very creamy, rich and delicious in taste. ये salad आप लोगों ने अक्सर different events like weddings वगैरह पर जरूर खाया होगा. So let's just quickly start making it. But before that, go down and subscribe to my channel Food Gossips. For ingredients, we need 3 apples, 4 bananas, cabbage, almost a quarter, 1 cup of boiled chickpeas, 1 cup of fruit cocktail, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 packet of cream, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Now we will take a bowl and उसमें हम add करेंगे cabbage, almost a quarter, apples, bananas, boiled chickpeas, 1 cup, and we will mix it. Now we will add almost a cup of mayonnaise, 1 packet of cream, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of salt, and almost 2 tablespoons of sugar. After adding all the ingredients, हम सैलेड को अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेंगे. एंड अब मैं इसको डेकोरेट करूंगी एक टोमेटो रोज से. एंड फाइनली हम इसको गार्निश करेंगे फ्रूट कॉकटेल से, कैश्यू नट्स एंड वॉलनट्स से, to give it a more rich look. And our salad is completely ready. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum.